The Talbiya is a special dua or prayer recited by one who is in the state of Ihram, whether for Umrah or Hajj. It's simple and easy to learn in Arabic because of the repetition and rhythm. Here I am, O Allah. Here I am. Here I am. You have no partner. Here I am. Verily, all praise and blessings are yours, and all sovereignty. You have no partner. Before making the journey for Hajj, make it a practice to walk every day while reciting the Talbiya. You'll prepare yourself to focus both spiritually and physically.